Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video. Today I share with you how to make a delicious rice and beans jollof. Without taking much of your time guys, let's get started. In a clean pan or pot, go in with your vegetable oil. Once it is heated, go in with your dry thyme, followed by your ginger garlic paste. Give it a quick stir. Next is your diced onions. Pour that in and stir. Allow it to fry until it is flavorful, or let's say for a minute. Now introduce your tomato paste. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to make tomato paste, please quickly check it out, okay? It's very easy and simple. And that is what we are using for this recipe. So once you've added your tomato, go in and stir it in. Look at how it's looking. Please do well to check it out. Alright, so give it a stir. We're going to allow it to fry until it is completely dry. Shout out to my newest and returning subscribers. You all are amazing. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I really appreciate. Keep it up. So guys, now go in with some bay leaves, dry bay leaves. Stir. Remember, we are frying it. We're going to fry it until it is completely dry. Looking more like it. You can test it. If it doesn't have that tangy taste anymore, know that it is well fried. Now introduce your seasoning. Add in some salt and stir. It is dry at this point. Now go in with your well-washed rice. Please, if this is your first time meeting my video, you are welcome. My name is Ijoma. Feel free to call me IJ or Oma for short. Please subscribe, alright? Hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. Alright? Thank you. So guys, let's continue. At this point, introduce your beans, your well-cooked beans. Yes. Remember, we are making rice and beans jollof. Yeah, guys. So add that in and stir it together. You want to combine the rice and the beans together. All done. Now introduce your chicken stock, whichever one you have. It could be your fish broth, your beef stock, whichever one you have. Just pour that in and stir. Next up is our peppers. We're using Scotch bonnet. Blend and pour that in. Add in more water. Cover it up a bit, just like this, guys. Do not add much water, okay? Just like this. A bit above your rice and beans. Now go in with your curry powder and stir it in. Now cover it and allow it to cook, okay? We are checking for the first time. It is coming up well. Adjust it, okay? Just like this to allow the remaining water to go down. At this point, reduce your heat, okay? Cook on low heat. Now, we're covering with some foil paper in order to cook faster. We are checking for the second time. It is dry, but not completely, guys. So we're gonna allow it a bit. Yes. This is us adjusting it. Cover it again just for extra minute, let's say 2 minutes. And at this point, guys, introduce your onions. Just garnish it up with some onions. Now stir to well combine. Oh my, this is looking so delicious. Guys, give it a shot, okay? If you have not tried it before, try it, you will love it. It's been long I had this combo. Guys, give it a shot. Rice and beans, very delicious. Oh my. Try it out and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. If you've watched to this point and you are yet to subscribe, please consider subscribing, okay? It is totally free. Thank you so much. So this is me dishing it out. Very delicious. Give it a shot, okay? And if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, follow for more tasty recipes, okay? And there you have it. Our delicious rice and beans jollof is set, guys, with some grilled chicken drum. Give it a shot, okay? See you guys in my next video. Bye.